In this video, we will explore how to compare the duration of web sessions with the number of accesses by user. To do that, you must check the web activity in the web server log. First, open the web.apache.accessit table and group by user. In this case, users are identified by the source IP address. In this example, we will look at the activity across a day, so we will group by day. The next step is to add the aggregated values. To define the beginning and the end of a session, look for the first and last accesses in the server date column. To do this, use the aggregation functions first and last and add a count column. Then, calculate the difference between the last and the first accesses using the function subtraction. The result will be shown in a new column called Session Duration. Now let's filter out the sessions with low or zero length duration. To do this, change the format to integer using the function millisecond. You can use the filter to see, for instance, only the sessions longer than 4 seconds. Now we want to understand the number of sessions and their duration by user. To visualize this, we will use a pivot table chart. Add the aggregated values and the session duration for each user. Take into account that the signal field only accepts string values, so the IP format must be changed. Now you can drag and drop it into the signal field. Do the same with the aggregated values, session duration, and count. You can order by user, but in order to distinguish maximum and minimum values, click on Heat Map and select Draw by Column and Logarithmic to better see the differences. Finally, apply it to all values. Now the users with longer sessions are displayed, and you can compare them to the users with more accesses during the last day. This pivot table can now be exported to an Excel spreadsheet for sharing with team members. We hope you enjoyed this Devo video, and be sure to check out the rest of our exciting videos.